In today's video, we will talk about foods that have a warm and moist nature. These foods are beneficial in different ways, and it's important to know about them. Some of these foods include papaya, mung dal, green gram, and ridge gourd, also known as kali tori, or bindi tori in some places. Carrot, radish, mash dal, lobia cowpea, black cumin, fig, mango, grapes, melon, pistachio, mustard seeds, dried coconut, raisins, dates, jaggery, sugarcane sugar, rock sugar, chalgoza, sweet potato, peanuts, almonds, sesame seeds, meat of goat, sheep, rabbit, quail, chicken, and fish, all known for their warm nature. Eggs, sago, wheat flour, ghee, and sheep's milk. These foods are known to have a warm and moist effect on the body, making them important in different seasons and diets. I hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.